Good day, ma'am. I'm Princess Joy A. Grospe from 3CRIA 1-11. So for today's video, we will talk about the forensic drug analysis. So for today's video, we have the lesson objectives. First is define and discuss the physiology of drugs, drug test and specimen tampering. Second is differentiate qualitative and quantitative drug analysis specimen. So let's start with the describe why the forensic analysis is important, to what particular case it may apply. Forensic analysis is used to controlled and documented analytical and investigative techniques to identify, collect, and examine and preserve digital information. Forensic analysis is important to use in determination of drugs in the hospitalized patients admitted following a suspected poisoning are used to poison or sedate drugs, and driving and drugs used in human performance. Drugs is prevalent to all possible sectors of our societies. Next is explain the reason why people use drugs. People use drugs because they want to change something about their lives. Here are some reasons why people use drugs: to fit in, to escape or relax, to relieve boredom, to seem grown up, to rebel, to experiment, that they think the drug is the solution. Let's move on with the explain what is drug test, when and where the drug test is prescribed. Drug test looks for the presence of one or more illegal or prescription drugs in your urine, blood, saliva, hair, or sweat. Urine testing is the common or most common type of drug screening. Drug screening is used to find out whether or not a person was taken a particular drug or drugs. It may be used in employment, sports, organizations, legal or forensic purposes, and monitoring opioid use. Then, explain why people are tampering with drug test specimens. Most likely, people tamper specimen because of the fear of traces the drugs would appear in the test and jeopardize their purpose, since most of the time they underwent drug tests for employment purposes. And last is differentiate qualitative and quantitative analysis of drug specimens. Quantitative analysis is often associated with numerical analysis, where data is collected, classified, and then computed for certain finding using a set of statistical methods, while qualitative analysis is concerned with the analysis of data that cannot be quantified. This type of data is about the understanding insight into the properties and attributes of an object or participants. Okay guys, that's all for this video. Please click like and subscribe if you like this video. Thank you for watching.